Duplicate this cube and scale down it. This is our cutter object. Give it right position, scale, rotation, so we can get a proper cut. Select both objects. Use the Boolean operation difference. Adjust the dimension of the cutter object. Turn on the wireframe mode. Add center loop cut on first object. Match position of cutter object. Move along the z-axis. Set the origin to 3D cursor and add a mirror modifier. Apply the mirror modifier. Delete the cutter object. Press M and merge double words. Create supportive cuts. Take symmetry. And create cuts. This is the first step for the topology, getting a right basic structure of the loop cuts. Select these edges, then Ctrl B, add a bevel. Add one segment bevel and give the proper bevel width. Select words and connect them, and dissolve these edges. Create new cuts like this. Observe the process carefully. Try to create a chord-based topology. Use the knife tool and create one cut at here. Take the symmetry. Ctrl 2, add a subd modifier. And create cuts. Dissolve the edges. And take the symmetry. Now we should create right topology. To maintain this design, select these faces and delete them. Use the knife tool and create cuts. Create cut around design. Then merge these words like this. And now you can see, just add one loop cut at here. Use the knife tool and create supportive cuts. That's look good. Create cut at here. Then merge words at here. Then dissolve these edges. Add a loop cut. Use the knife tool. Create loop structure around design. Then select these words and then merge them. Now we can see we got a decent design. Select these edge loops and add a 2-segment bevel on them. Now we have got harder form. Select these words and press M and merge at center. Repeat the same step Here we are facing little difficulty, hence we will connect words like this. Watch the process carefully, and we are going to create a loop structure around this design. Then use the knife tool and create one cut at here. Add a center loop cut and create cut. Connect these words to get the loop structure. Now use the knife tool and create cut like this. Then dissolve this edge. And we are getting each loop structure at here. Repeat same process here. And now we can see we got a loop structure around design. So it will help us to maintain the form, that design. In this way you should create loop structure around design or Boolean part to maintain its form. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye, see you next video. Take care.